Not all of you made it to the study session on Friday, so I thought I would make a short video to review what was discussed. For the final exam, you'll be given a choice of 4 passages like this one, with a question or a prompt attached to it. Here, there is the question for this one. So once you've read all 4 and chosen which one you want to write about, you should begin planning your essay. This is a 2-hour exam, so there's no need to rush. This is something that will give you an idea of how you could organize the essay. There are many different ways to organize. There are many different structures you can use, so this is just one. I just want to emphasize that this is something which might be helpful. So, in your first paragraph, your introduction, you want to say something about the thesis. You want to answer the question. This question was, how does Shakespeare present the meaningless of life? So what you want to say is basically the answer to that question. How is this presented in this play? And then you want to identify which quotations and where in the play this is seen. In the first body paragraph, which is here, you want to begin by contextualizing whatever quotation you're going to use, inform the reader what is happening around the time that this quotation occurred, and then you want to connect back to that thesis. How does it connect to this main idea, in this case, the meaninglessness of life? And then that is something you can follow for all of the body paragraphs. Contextualize, quote, and then connect to the thesis. Now, to go back to the passage, you'll see that it is from Act 5, Scene 5, lines 18 to 23. So when you're organizing, you might actually want to put this one last here so that you can put them in chronological order. So let's say I've identified 2 other quotes dealing with this same theme. One is from Act 1, Scene 4, lines 8 to 9. The next is from Act 2, Scene 3, lines 109 to 112. And then there was the one that I was given, which is Act 5, Scene 4, lines 18 to 31. So I've organized these into chronological order, which I'll show you the advantage that might give you. So when you're writing and you're contextualizing each of these quotations, what you will end up with is a kind of summary of some aspect of this play in chronological order. So now that you've traced this theme throughout the play, you want to move on to your conclusion. So you've seen this theme develop throughout the play, you've put it into order. Now you can make a statement about the theme itself. What is Shakespeare trying to say about this theme? In this case, the meaningless of not life, but whatever theme that you're going to be dealing with on the exam. That is what you put in your conclusion. This is called widening the lens. Now, keep in mind that this is just a suggestion. There are many other ways to organize your essay, but be sure that you use some organizational method.